All right, if you're experiencing headaches, neck pain at the work area, we've
Even
got
shoulder pain.
even shoulder pain. There's no exercises needed. 10 seconds and the problem is solved. Hold on, 9.3 seconds,
Well,
and
put a smile on your face.
put a smile on your face. Put a smile on your face. I remember that song.
No singing.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
If you're sitting, whether you're working, watching TV, and you're experiencing neck problems, neck aches, headaches, shoulder pain, like we had mentioned, these are what you're going to do. Hold on. Well, we said hold on already. Well, whatever, bye. Hold on again, dang it. Okay, this comes in 2 steps. The first step is no big surprise. Everyone knows this pretty much, I think, is simply assess your posture. I'm slouched. My head is forward.
So am I.
Everything is just absolutely bound and determined to cause pain all over. Up we go.
It'll feed your headache.
Yep, it's going to feed your headache and everything. I think about bringing up,
Lead to the chest.
shoulders back, but think about bringing your sternum forward.
Forward,
There we
right.
go. That straightens the spine out. The chin will come in automatically, and you have that neutral posture.
Everything lines up.
But there's one thing that you have to do after you do this to make the complete success. Okay, the key to this is the position of your scapula or shoulder blade. Bob has good posture, but particularly on the right side, which he is right-handed. He uses a mouse on his right side. He's right-handed. Oftentimes, that side, go back to normal, Bob, that shoulder blade, which should be up here, has actually drooped. And if you look at the tension of his shirt right here, it's pulling. Well, the same thing happens to the muscles that go up to the
Right.
neck and the shoulder. If the shoulder blade is drooped because of the weight of the arm, we need to release that tension and let it get up here. And it's very simple. We're going to show you how to do it quickly. Okay, so we've corrected the posture. Now we need to unload the scapular droop, I like to call it, or depression. Simply, if you have a work chair that you're working on, you look at your armrests. A lot of armrests.
Are they adjustable?
Yeah, like this one goes up and down. Here, my scapula is drooping. I bring it up.
You almost want to overcorrect.
Yep. That's probably a little too high there. That's a good point, Bob. So you need to, so when you relax and the weight of your arm goes into the armrest, not pulling the scapula down.
Right.
You'll feel immediate relaxation of these muscles. That pain, headaches, shoulder pain will go away within a very short period of
Do
time.
you think we should mention this is Rick Alderman?
Rick Alderman, the therapist that has got 20 years of studying all these little intricacies.
He's an amazing
Yep.
therapist.
Make a big difference. Now, if you happen to be watching TV and you're on a couch or your work chair does not adjust and it's too low, simply take a pillow, put it there, and voila, it does the
Keep
same
that
thing.
shoulder blade raised up.
Right. Now, Bob has found out something even, now he has the same problem.
Right, absolutely.
The pillows work, but who wants to work with a pillow
right.
there all the
He
time?
kept falling out.
Right. So look at this. The towel roll, probably the most useful tool in the household for therapy. Put a towel roll there, and there we go. It does the same thing. You can take some tape or rubber bands, hold it
That's
there.
what my daughter did.
Yep. She used tape,
Yep,
duct tape.
yep.
Oh, good. You gotta
Good girl.
You can't go wrong with duct tape.
She did well.
And just tape it there, and then you have that same thing. You'll find out it really makes a difference. If you're at, watching TV, I think you'll find pillows work out well for that.
Absolutely.
Because then, if it's a boring show, you fall asleep anyway.
You'll know if it feels better.
Yep, you'll notice very quickly those muscles relax, blood flow getting back, tension going away. But, you don't want to fall
wonderful
asleep if
thing.
you're working. But watching TV, it's probably worth falling asleep anyway. So
There
good
we
luck
go.
with your shoulders, headaches, and whatnot. from
Thanks.
Scapular droop.